Hi, I'm Brock, and welcome back to More Pixels. And welcome to the final video on the development of Factory of the Lost Boxes. That's right, this will be the last video that we're making for Factory of the Lost Boxes, at least for a while. One day we may return to this project, even if it is for just a small update such as adding some more levels or even a new mechanic or two. The reason for this is that recently we've lost a bit of inspiration for this game. This is why the videos have been so spread out, as we didn't really make much progress on the game. We decided we would remove some things that we're planning and would just get the game done to a demo-like state and release it for free on itch.io. So if you'd like to check it out, it'll be the first link in the description. With finishing up the project, we had to decide what things to keep and what to add to complete the project. Some of the things that we decided to scrap were the scales, crusher, and the gravity switch, as we either didn't really have these things working, or we weren't really sure on how they should work. We didn't want to just remove things to say the game's complete. We did add a few things in, such as level transitions and an interact pop-up telling the player what key to press. For the transitions, we went through a few designs and then settled on the final design as shown on the screen. The interaction pop-ups were a simple thing to create just so the player knows that they can interact with something, such as the lever and also the teleporters. We also added the audio from the Game Jam version of this game. As I was still doing a small amount of development on this game until the video comes out, and maybe a little bit after, I may add some more sounds to the game just to flesh the game out a bit more. To make the game look a little better, we decided to add some post-processing. We only added 2 effects. The first was a vignette, just to darken the edges of the screen and help bring focus to the player. The second effect was some color grading, just to make everything look a little better. As before, everything looked warm as it had an orange tint to it. Making it change to a blue tint made the area feel more cool and also made the area feel more empty and alone, which is what we wanted to convey. Finally, we built some levels to the game. Currently, these aren't very good and will probably be remade before the game is public. Sitting down and making levels to this game was hard, as I wanted to get this game out sooner rather than later, and I just couldn't focus on creating them. I will create some more levels before the release to flesh out the game a bit more. With losing inspiration on this project, everything was telling me just to stop work on it and start a new project. But I really didn't want to start a habit of starting a new project and leaving it and not finishing it to some degree. That's why we decided to make the game into more of a demo. It's been hard to even make the video. It's been over a month since we decided to stop this project, and it's taken that long to finish up some work on the game and make this video. But now, with it being over, we can move on to a new project that we are more excited for. I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope you stick around to see what we create next. If you'd like to check us out on Twitter, there will be links in the description to each of our Twitter accounts. Again, thank you for watching, goodbye.